If you're having 0 views on TikTok right now, or your views just suddenly reduce, you are not alone. A lot of creators and also users on TikTok have been complaining about this recently.
Last 3 or 4 days like this, I've been posting and my post has not been having views. Normally, if I post within 1 hour, I'm having like 220 something likes. Within 1 hour now, I'm already with 35 likes. Money, about village people may have gotten me, but our village people will to get me. But I say no, it isn't possible because I start.
Are you starting to see some traction? What is going on with TikTok?
Everyone says the algorithm hates me when they're getting.
If I hear one more person talk,
this video isn't why some.
So in this video, I'm going to simply show you how to fix 0 views box on TikTok. So let's get right into the video. So looking right here is my profile. So in order for you to fix this issue, one of the common ways to fix this is to check if your account is actually on private mode. So in order for you to be able to fix that, if that is the problem you're having, this is what you can simply do. Go to your profile like this and click on the 3-line icon at the top right corner. Then go ahead and click on settings and privacy. So right here on your settings and privacy, you just need to scroll down like this and look for where you can see private account. Looking right, you can see visibility. So if yours is turned on like this, just go ahead and click on it and turn it off in order for you to be able to switch to a public account. That is actually going to help to move your account from being private to public in order for your video to be visible to more audience. So going back like this, so I'm still on my TikTok app and this is my profile. So if you are the type that posts and just start expecting views and likes on the post that you just post recently, you just need to wait patiently this time since you are facing the issue of 0 views on TikTok. So once you post the video, you need to allow the TikTok itself to check the video. TikTok is actually going to check the video and check if that video actually violates any of their community guidelines. Now if the video violated their community guidelines, just like this one I have right here on the screen, you can see that this one says failed content check. Now this is because this content is not my original content. In your own case, it might actually pass the community guidelines check and the video is going to be pushed to the For You page. That is when the video is actually going to start getting views. So you need to wait and don't panic while you upload the video. So if you just upload the video, give it some time and wait for the algorithm to do its work for some time. Another way you can actually fix this issue is to check if your account is actually having an issue. So in order for you to check that and know if your account is currently having an issue, this is what you can simply do. Click on the 3-line icon at the top right corner of your screen right here on your profile like this. The next step you need to take right here is to go ahead and click on TikTok Studio. So when you click on TikTok Studio like this, scroll down a little bit, you're going to see monetization. That is actually your monetization tools. You need to scroll down a little bit more and you're going to see where it says more tools. So right here you can see the option of account check. So you need to go ahead and click on account check like this. So once you do that, it's actually going to check and tell you if your account is actually facing an issue. Looking right here, it says what this means is that your accounts and posts have no outstanding issue. But in your own case, your account might be having issues. So you just need to check and see if your account is currently having an issue. And if your account is not having an issue, then you're actually good to go. So the next step you need to look out for is to check the shadow ban pattern. So let's say you publish 20 to 10 videos and all of them are just at 0 views. So let's say you publish 20 to 10 videos on your account and most of the videos are just at 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 views in the past 2 days, 3 days and 4 days. Then you are going to know that there is actually an issue on your TikTok account. TikTok itself has actually shadow banned your account and TikTok does not actually notify its users or creators. In order for them to be able to do that, they just silently shadow bans your account. So in order for you to be able to fix that, you need to upload an original content, not the one you copied from someone else, not the one you clipped from someone else's content, not the one with any watermark. Just upload an original content that is made by you on your account and wait, and you're going to see that just continue uploading those original contents and you're going to see that the algorithm is actually going to notice that those contents are your original content and is actually going to start giving you views gradually. So the next step you can actually take, if that did not actually fix the problem or that is not just for you, this is what you can actually do. So this is what you can actually do. A lot of you guys actually use dead hashtags. So in order for you to be able to know if the hashtag you used on your videos are actually good, you can go to your TikTok search button like this. So let's say you type in an hashtag like this and click on the search button like this, hashtag like this. So if you see no results found like this, it means that this hashtag is not actually relevant anymore and this hashtag has also been shadow banned or banned by TikTok. So using this on your video is actually going to prevent your video from getting more views and engagement. So you should also take note of that as well. And lastly, stop doing anything that looks automated. Let's say liking people's videos very fast, or following people very fast, or asking people to follow you too fast. That is actually going to prevent your videos from doing well as well on TikTok. So these are the steps you need to actually take in order for you to be able to fix 0 views on TikTok. Hope you found this guide helpful. It has always been Daniel. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow TikTok users. See you in the next one.